At syempre si Benji ay kailangang nasa itaas na naman ng LBC box. Gusto mo na talagang sumama, ha? Uwing-uwi ka na ba sa Pilipinas? Isasama ko yan, Benji, sa bag inaamoy mo. Wala man. What happened, Benji? Hey, do you have the lay? You want it? That's yours? Kakamping ka man. Why are you there, Benji boy? Huh? There's me. Where are you going? Are you waiting for your friend? I don't see your friend. The pink one? Ah? The pink one? I don't see it. You're there again. I take a picture already. What? What? Why are you there? Nana will take a picture already. Move away. Move away. Move away na. Move. Why are you guarding it? Touch. Oi. Why are you guarding it? Move away. Aday ko. Move away na. Ay, aday ko. Your teeth, your nails are long and sharp. Move away. I take a picture already. Sus. Hirap naman ito. This is not yours. You just stay there. Oh, why are you plopping on top of it? I am playing. That's my cards. Move away. Benji boy. Ay, that's my card. I'm playing solitaire. Move away. Move. It's already distributed. Move away, Benji. Move away. That's my card. Move away, Benji. Benji boy. Aday ko. Oh. Move. What is in there, Benji? Your friend is outside again? Huh? What is in there? Do you hear the birds? And look at that tail. Ay! What is in there? Did you eat already? Grandpa feed you? Oh. I don't... Oh, it's just birds. Oh la la. I don't have chicken. You will wait? Huh? Okay, up to you. Go there. So, what are you looking for? Huh? Oh, okay, better. You have to play with that. Good job. You found it. You don't like? Sus. Wala mang laman na yan. Wag na yan. Oh. Ano naman? Meron naman dyan pusa sa labas? Sinisilip mo? Kung ano-ano lang, marites ka man. Kung ano-ano lang ang napapansin mo. Nasisilip mo sa labas, ha? Ah, kaya pala yung kurtina palaging nahahawi. At ikaw pala yung gumagawa niyan. Ano na, wala? Busy ang buhay mo? Ha? Busy buhay? Oh. Sisimba kami. Dito ka lang, ha? Ha? Bantay ka dito, ha? Hintayin mo kami. Okay. Benji boy. Ano? Ano ang nandyan sa sahig? Butiki? Ano yung nakita mo naman? Ha? Ano? Kung ano-ano lang eh. Busy. So how are you waiting? They ate the food already. So they are not coming. Huh? So here, no food. Huh? Can you just stay there and wait, ha? Maybe birds will come.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is 4 o'clock. New York City, I'm John Alvin in for Nicole